A bike accelerates uniformly from rest to a speed of 7.1 meters per second over a distance of 35.4 meters. Determine the acceleration of the bike. So once again, I have this from rest. That means my velocity initial equals 0 meters per second. I have this speed here, so my velocity final equals 7.10 meters per second. And it occurs over a distance of 35.4 meters. So since I'm working in the x-axis, I will use red. My velocity initial in the x is 0 meters per second. My velocity final in the x is 7.10 meters per second. And my distance in the x is 35.4 meters. The thing that I'm looking for is acceleration in the x. That equals question mark meters per second squared. And I will use the formula velocity final squared equals velocity initial squared plus 2 times acceleration times the distance. So now I will replace numbers for letters. I see that velocity final is 7.10, and I'm going to square it, equals 0, and I'll square it, plus 2 times, I don't know what acceleration is, but I do know that distance is 35.4. Clean this up a little bit. When I take 7.10 and I square it, I get 50.41 equals 0 times 0 is 0, so that blows up, plus 2 times the acceleration times the distance, 35.4. Now, I can multiply 2 times a, and I can multiply 2a times 35.4, or I can multiply 2 times 35.4, and I get 70.8a, and that equals 50.41. In order to get a all by itself, I'm going to divide by 70.8, cancel, cancel. Whatever I do to the right, I need to do to the left. I get an acceleration of 0.71200056 meters per second squared. But then, if I take a look, I have 3 sig figs here, 3 sig figs here, so my answer is going to have 3 significant figures. I get 712 meters per second squared.